सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का सोशल साइंस लेसन 7 इंडिया लोकेशन बॉर्डर एरिया एंड फिजियोग्राफी इसकी वर्कबुक की सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे इस वीडियो में। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव ऑप्शंस। इसमें फर्स्ट इन विच डायरेक्शन ऑफ एशिया इज इंडिया लोकेटेड? साउथ। विच कंट्री इज लोकेटेड to the northwest border of India? Pakistan. Which country is located to the south of India? Sri Lanka. Which position does India hold in the world in terms of area? 7th. Which tropic passes almost through the middle of India? Tropic of Cancer. Into how many physiographic division can India be divided? 5. By which name is the Himalaya range towards India known? Shivalik range. What is the height in meters of MT Goodwin Austin K2? 8611. What is the height in meter of Mount Everest? 8848. Which one of the following river start from the Himalayas? Ganga. Which city is located on the bank of Yamuna River? Agra. Which one of the following hill station is located in the Deccan Plateau? Mahabaleshwar. Which one of the following cities is located in the Deccan Plateau? Hyderabad. Which one of the following port is located on the western coast of India? Kandla. Which of the following port is located on the eastern coast of India? Vishakhapatnam. How long is the Indian sea coast and what is the length of Indian sea coast? 75-17 km. In filling the blank. Position of India airwise is south in the world. Bangladesh country is located to the east of India. Arabian Sea country is located to the west of India. Himalaya mountain is located to the north of India. Sri Lanka is located to the south of India. Pakistan country is located to the northwest of India. Arabian Sea lies to the west of India. Indian Ocean is located to the south of India. Bay of Bengal is the east of India, or the Bay of Bengal lies to the east of India. The north-south length of India is about 30 to 14 km. The east-west width of India is about 29-33 km. The total land area of India is approximately 32,87,263 square kilometer. There are a total of 29 states and 7 union territories in India. The Himalayas is not one mountain, but it is a series of 3 mountains ranges. The tallest peak of India is south. The Goodwin Austin peak lies in Karakoram range. The tallest peak in the world is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is a peak of the Himalayan range. Mount Everest is located in Nepal. Northern plains are considered to be one of the largest river plains in the world. The central and southern plateau of India is surrounded by seas on the 3 sides, so it is called a peninsula. The central and southern plateau of India is also known as a treasure house of minerals. Coastal plain is famous of fisheries industry. The land which is surrounded by water from all sides is called an island. The Kutch desert is highly saline. True false. Question 3. True false. The east-west width of India is more than its north-south length. False. Our country is the 7th largest country in the world on the basis of area. True. The Himalaya is not one mountain, but it is a series of 3 mountain range. True. Mount Everest is located in Nepal. True. The tallest peak of the Himalayas located in India is Mount MTK2. True. The Tropic of Capricorn passes through India. False. The plateau range of central and south India are located treasury of minerals of India. True. There is a sea on 3 sides of India. True. The eastern coastal plain of India is narrower than the western coastal plain. False. Andaman and Nicobar Island are located in the Arabian Sea. False. Machilipatnam is located in the eastern coastal plain. True. The Rann of Kutch is very sandy. False. Question 4. Match the column. First, north south length of India. इसका 2 आंसर 3214 किलोमीटर. ईस्ट वेस्ट breadth of India. इसका 4th आंसर 2933 किलोमीटर. टॉलेस्ट पीक ऑफ इंडिया. इसका 5th आंसर गुडविन ऑस्टिन K2. टॉलेस्ट पीक ऑफ वर्ल्ड. इसका फर्स्ट आंसर MT एवरेस्ट. सेक्शन 2 मैच द कॉलम. हाइट ऑफ कांचनजुंगा पिक. इसका 5th आंसर 8598 मीटर. हाइट ऑफ नंदा देवी पिक. इसका 3rd आंसर 7817 मीटर. हाइट ऑफ बद्रीनाथ पिक. फर्स्ट आंसर 7138 मीटर्स. और रिवर ओरिजिनेटिंग इन हिमालय. इसका 2 आंसर कोशी. सेक्शन 3 मैच द कॉलम. अ फेमस सिटी इन डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. इसका 4th आंसर हैदराबाद. फेमस पोर्ट ऑन द वेस्टर्न कोस्ट. इसका 1 आंसर कंडला. लेंथ ऑफ इंडियन सी कोस्ट. इसका 2 आंसर 7517 किलोमीटर. फेमस पोर्ट ऑन द ईस्टर्न कोस्ट. इसका 3rd आंसर चेन्नई. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 sentences. Within which latitudes and longitude is India located? India is located between 8.40 degree north latitude to 37.6 degree north latitude and 68.7 degree east longitude to 97.25 degree east longitude. Which country lies on the northwestern boundary of India? Pakistan lies on the northwestern boundary of India. Which country is located on the eastern boundary of India? Bangladesh and Myanmar are located in the eastern boundary of India. What is the north-south length and east-west width of India? The north-south length of India is about 3214 kilometers and the eastern-west width is about 2933 kilometers. What is the total land area of India? The total land area of India 32,87,263 square kilometer. What is India's rank in the world in terms of area? India is 7th largest country in the world in terms of land area. What is the geographical shape of India? The geographical shape of India is narrow in the north border in central and becomes narrow in south. How many states and union territories are there in India? There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. What are the variation in physiography of India? The variation in physiographic division of India: mountains, plateau, plains, deserts, sea coast, coastal plain, etc. How many physiographic division are there of India? Which are they? There are 5 physiographic division on India: northern mountainous ranges, northern India plains, central and Deccan plateau, and 4th coastal. How many division in the northern mountain range? Divided into which are they? They are 2 division of the northern mountainous range: Himalaya range and western hilly range of Himalaya. 12. By which name are the Himalaya range known? The northernmost range towards China is known as the Greater Himalayas, and the central range is known as the Central Himalayas, and the lower range towards India is known as the Shivalik range. Which is the tallest peak of India? What is its height? Goodwin Austen in the Karakoram range is the tallest peak of India. Its height is 8611 meter. Which is the tallest peak of the world? What is its height? The tallest peak in the world is Mount Everest, is in Nepal, and its height is 8848 meter. Which is the most prosperous and populated area of India, the northern plains is the most prosperous and populated area of India. Which river emerged from the Himalayas? The river which emerged from the Himalayas are Sindhu, Saltaj, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandhak, Tista, Koshi, etc. Which are the major lakes of India? The major lakes of India are Wular, Dal, Sambar, Nal, Chikka, Koleru, Pulikat, etc. Why is the plateau of South India called a peninsula? The plateau of South India called a peninsula because it is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. Which are the famous hill station and important cities of Deccan Plateau? Famous hill station like Udaygaman, Dalam, Mahabaleshwar, Matheran, Panchagani, and important cities like Bengaluru, Pune, Mysore, Hyderabad, etc. are located in the Deccan Plateau. Question 20. Which are the important port and large cities on the eastern coastal plain? Important port and large cities on the eastern coastal plain are Chennai, Pondicherry, Machilipatnam, Vishakhapatnam, etc. Which are the important port and large city on the western coastal plains? Important port and large cities on the western coastal plain are Kandla, Mumbai, Mangaluru, Calicut, Tiruvananthapuram, Marmango, etc. What is an island? The land area is surrounded by water from all sides in the seas is called an island. Which island are a part of India? Lakshadweep and Minicoy Island in the Arabian Sea in the west and Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal in the east are the part of India. Why is the eastern coastal plain very fertile? The eastern coastal plain is formed of black soil with alluvium, so it is very fertile. How many parts in the run of Kutch divided into? Which are they? The run of Kutch is divided into two parts, the big run and the small run. Why has the desert in the northern part of Rajasthan become a fertile area? The dart in the northern part of Rajasthan has become fertile area due to the water available for irrigation from Indra Canal of Saltaj River. Give geographical. Question 6. Give geographical reason for the following statement. Population is dense in the northern plains. The plains of north are densely populated. The northern plains rain is form of the fertile elevation of Himalaya river like Saltaj, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. It is one of the most fertile and level plains of India. The river here are perennial, so irrigation is well developed in northern plain because of good agriculture and industrial development. Large cities like Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, etc. have developed in this reign. The desert are thinly populated. There is less population in the desert. The soil is sandy in the desert. Most part of it is a dry, barren and uninhabited land. Its climate is dry and continental. There is very little rain. In desert, there is always a water storage and people suffer about his problem of requirement of commodities necessary for routine life. That is why there is less population in desert. Write short note. The Himalaya mountain range. Mountain Godown, Austin, the tallest peak of India, is situated in Karakoram range. This western part of the Himalayas, the peak of 8611 meter height. Mount Everest, the tallest peak of the world, is situated in Nepal. It is 8848 meters high. Kanchenjunga 8518 meter, Nanda Devi 7817 meter, and Badrinath 7138 meter are the other peak towards Indian side of Himalayan mountain range. The northern plains of India. The northern plains range is located to the south of the northern mountainous range. It is formed of the alluvial deposits from the Himalaya. Large river like Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, etc. and their tributaries. That is why it is known as the northern plain. It is considered to be one of the most fertile river plains of the world. It occupies very large area of North India. It is one of the most popular and prosperous region of India. Some large cities like Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, etc. are situated in his reign. The Rajasthan Desert. The desert of Rajasthan lies to the west of the Aravalli mountain range. The soil here is sandy and the climate is dry and unbearable. Most of the time this rain receives less than 20 cm of annual rainfall. Hence it faces water shortage, remain dry, barren and uninhabited. Date palms and caravans pulled by camel are seen in this rain. North Rajasthan is being irrigated through the river Saltaj via Indra Canal, so this area turning fertile a favorable for agriculture. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर 7 यहीं पे कंप्लीट होता है. ठीक है, तो आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. तो आप घर पे रहिएगा, स्टे होम एंड सेव योर लाइफ. Thank you.